come together right now over me. He's so hard to see. Come together.